Hi, this is Dan Millen with Livernois Motorsports. So today we got something a little bit not normal to see in the shop. This is a Lincoln, still a Ford product, but you're usually seeing Mustangs, Camaros, Corvettes, F-150s. This is a Lincoln Continental, kind of a hidden gem. I know a lot of stuff we used to do in the past on the Taurus and the show platform, 3.5 EcoBoost. I would say this is kind of the equivalent of a show Taurus for performance guys. Actually, the power is real similar. I feel like there's probably a little bit more power left on the table in this car. So we've been doing tunes on these vehicles pretty much since they were out, but we really haven't done any videos. So I want to do a video on this thing. It's a Lincoln Continental. It's a 3-liter twin turbo EcoBoost, and this thing is cool. So we've already baselined it. Like I said, we've had our cal done for these for a while. I had a buddy's car, having the opportunity to get it here, do a video, kind of go step by step with it, so it's here. Baselined it. It was pretty good in the baseline, about 330. Not bad for this thing. It is a 4-door. It's a really comfortable car. So we're going to put our tune in it. It is going to be 93 performance. This car already had 93 in it, so when it baselined and made 330-ish, it did have 93. I would suspect if you did an 87 to 93 comparison, it'd be a little bit bigger of a gain, but we're going to go ahead and put our tune in with our tuner, do the dyno video, and then we'll show you the results. Stay tuned. Okay, so we put our tune in. We already ran it in the dyno. Let's go take a look at the results. This thing was pretty cool. Better than I think I anticipated right from I guess the 93 to 93, but we're talking, and I'm only gonna go over at first is the overall gains. We click this thing down here, we'll call it, 2,500 to 3,000. You got 100 foot-pounds of torque gain between 25 and 3,000 RPM. That's huge. Go up top towards, let's call it above 5,500, we're basically 55 horsepower. That's huge gain. I wouldn't say it's overall. Overall, it's 40 down, 40 peak to peak, and torque-wise, it's 80 peak to peak. But again, like I always say, it's really under the curve. You've got over 100 foot-pounds down low and over 55 horsepower up top. Super cool. So again, this is something we wanted to definitely show everybody. We haven't videoed one of these. Really cool car. It's cooler with our tune. So stay tuned for some updates, and thanks for watching our videos.